Today's video is for my human hair wig wearing wig sisters. Today I'm here to tell you about a luxury wig retailer who has a full service salon in Minnesota, but also has an online salon and does virtual consults, custom wigs, her own hair care line. She has toppers, she has bang clip-ins. This is a great human hair wig retailer to know about. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. I show everything wig related. I am a full-time wig wearer. I've been losing my hair for over 25 years. I've been wearing wigs for over 6 years, and I wear pretty much everything from regular synthetic to heat-friendly synthetic to human hair. And I truly do show everything from $20 Amazon wigs. If they're wearable, I'll show them, all the way up to multiple $1,000s luxury human hair wigs and everything in between. I believe that every woman suffering from hair loss or not deserves to see something that will work for her, whether she has the means to afford a high-end luxury piece or not. There is something for everyone, and I am so honored to be a part of your wig journey and hopefully showing you something that will work for you. I have had the great pleasure of meeting Lisa and Andrea from Opulence Salon in person multiple times. They attended my first ever Wig Sister wig retreat in 2024 and provided some wonderful education and opportunity for wig sisters to learn about their wigs. They have a full service salon that offers wigs and toppers and clip-in bang. She has over 25 years of experience in the hair industry. I love her story of being a master extensionist, known all throughout the Twin Cities for her skills at installing extensions, and eventually some of her clients needed more than just extensions, and she didn't know how to help them. So she took it upon herself to research the wig and topper industry, learn all that she could, and she has now transitioned her salon to a full-service wig and topper salon with the help of our wig sister Andrea, who is a full-time wig wearer and is now working with Lisa to help women find the hair that they have been looking for. I want to be clear, this is a human hair wig salon. It is a higher end, more luxury salon, although she has helped many wig sisters with other wigs that she did not sell to them. She's even helped some wig sisters with their synthetic wigs. Andrea truly has a heart to help, and while the main focus of her salon are custom pieces for her customers, she is helping local women with all kinds of wig issues because she wants every woman to feel beautiful and have hair that they can be proud of. I am wearing a custom piece. She is gorgeous, and I'm really excited to tell you about this as an option if you are in the market, either now or in the future, for a human hair wig. One of the things I really love is that she does virtual consults as well as in-person consults. When you go to her website, you will see an option to book a consult with her. So if you aren't in the Eagan, Minnesota area, or maybe you don't want to travel all this way for the first contact with her, you can schedule time with either Lisa or Andrea to talk about what you're looking for and come up with a plan and see if maybe the ladies at Opulence Salon can get you what you need. She has had women from all over the upper Midwest come and visit her. Just recently had a woman from Nebraska, where my son is about to go to college, and get her custom piece. So I definitely think this is an option whether you live in the Minnesota or the Twin Cities area or not. She does also carry her own luxury line of wig care accessories and products. So shampoos, conditioners, deep treatment conditioners, all formulated to be a great benefit to your wigs. Wigs do, even the human hair wigs, require a little bit of different care than the hair on our head, which is getting the oil from our scalp. And I've even heard from a couple of wig sisters that have used her products on synthetic wigs to great success. So that is something that I will be testing out soon. So let me tell you about the wig on my head. One of the things that was really important to me was a really seamless hairline and invisible knots. So let me give you a look at this hairline up close. This is Denise from the future. I was watching back the video you are just watching, and when I showed the part line, I noticed that you could see my wig grip. And it didn't give you the view of the part line that you should have had, because this is so excellent. Look at this part line, you guys. So excellent. The lace front is so excellent. And I just didn't do the greatest job of showing that to you. So I'm refilming. Now back to the video. Something that is not always easy for people to achieve, and I know a lot of us, especially brunettes or women who wear rooted wigs, sometimes have to resort to putting makeup on the knots to make them more invisible. But I do not need makeup. I need nothing on this. Just a beautiful part line, invisible knots. I mean, just the density of this piece is so natural. Everything about this piece screams my hair. Like, there's nothing about this wig that I think anybody would know that I have a wig on my head. She has 3 different cap types that she offers. Mine is called the feather cap. It's her base model cap. And so basically we have got extended lace, all of the parting space on top. We have little ear tabs. I really do like that these are not substantial ear tabs, because I am someone who likes to blend my own bio hair and tuck wigs behind my ears and wear sunglasses, and so these are perfect for me. We have closed wefting throughout. There is an extended nape. There's hook adjusters. There's a comb in the back, and there are also clips, like pressure clips, the kind of clips that you find on toppers, by the ear tabs. I had her remove the clips because I don't use them and they do pull on my hair a little bit. Her other cap type, she has something called the flex cap. I think it's a similar cap to this, but it has a little bit of silicone on the cap. And then her firm cap is full silicone. I actually haven't seen either one of those caps. This cap is one of the most lightweight caps that I've ever had on my head. This is currently, or the cap that I have is in a small. She does offer cap sizes, and I would say her caps seem to run slightly larger than some other caps that I have tried. This cap is not tight on me at all. It does fit me pretty perfectly. I'm not getting a lot of extra cap up here. I would say that it feels a little bit large in the circumference to me, and it just fits me like a dream. Where I think it seems a little small to me is where the ear tabs. You can see these ear tabs are way up here. My hairline is all right here. But I have to tell you, I love that. I sometimes struggle with caps because the ear tabs come down so low, and then I have trouble blending my hair to help it look natural. I just love the way it looks when I pull out a little bit of my bio hair and incorporate it with the wig. Use a root touch-up powder to help it blend a little bit better, but it's so perfect. So based on how this one fits me, I would absolutely talk with her about your goals with your wigs. And if you need more coverage on the sides, I would err on a little bit of a larger cap. One of the things I think is so cool that she offers is she can sew the wefts together for you. So if you were in her salon and you put a cap on your head and it fit you well mostly, but maybe there was a little bit too much bulking in the back or gapping, she has a sewing machine right on site, and she can take the wig and custom the fit to your head while you're sitting in her chair. That to me is worth its weight in gold. All my measurements are in the description box below, so you can compare mine to yours. I would say if your measurements are real similar to mine, if you don't need good coverage on the sides, the small is a dream for me. If on the other hand, you would need more coverage here and you don't want those ear tabs to be up a little as high as they are, you might want to consider sizing up. I wear a wig grip with this cap, but I need a wig grip that doesn't have any bulk in the back. And so right now I have on one of her wig grips that has that silicone string right there, which is so perfect because when I put a full wig grip on, this is just a little bit too tight on me. So I need that extra support up here to keep it in place since it is just a little bit loose on me. But not having that bulk in the back makes a huge difference. And so I can wear this really comfortably. I've actually been wearing this wig now for, I've almost had it for, how long have I had this for? Has it been a week? I think it's been a week. And I've worn it almost every day since I got it. It is so amazing. and so comfortable. It's not squeezing my head. I just love that there isn't a lot of tension on the circumference. It just makes this such a feather light, comfortable cap for me. Now, she custom colored this based on some inspiration pictures that I sent over to her. So if you were interested in learning more about the color of this piece, you could always reach out and ask, what was the color of the wig that Denise had on? She will absolutely remember that. Right now, she has some wigs listed at her website for pre-order. Again, these are more luxury priced human hair, so don't come at me when you look and see that there are some wigs on there for $3,000+. This is a luxury salon. There are all kinds of options out there for wigs. I'm really grateful that we have an option like this where she is going to spend time with you, learning what you're looking for, getting it right, and then making it for you specifically. That is really a huge benefit for those of us who have struggled to find wigs that will work for us just off the rack. And that does come with a premium price. So let's talk logistics and next steps. Let's say that you are really intrigued by what you see today and you love the idea of a custom piece that has been created to your specs, color that you have envisioned, all of those things. The first step would be to go to her website and schedule a consult with her, whether that be an in-person consult. Her salon is in Eagan, Minnesota, or virtually. And from there, you can talk about what it is that you're looking for and hoping to find. She will work with you on your head measurements and all of the different specs that are really important to you. I think that's another reason why this is more of a premium service, because she does spend that time with you and really wants to make sure that what you're getting is what you're looking for. So whether you've successfully purchased wigs just off websites or you've been struggling with that and you're really hoping to find someone who will walk you through step by step to get you to the point where you have a wig that you will feel confident wearing every day, I think Lisa can help you. And her assistant Andrea is always there as well as a full-time wig wearer. So I love that Lisa has the salon experience and Andrea has the wig wearing experience. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I'm happy to answer whatever it is I know. But today's video was really to introduce you to Opulence Salon and the wonderful ladies over there. I hope this gives you another resource to help you on your wig wearing journey. There aren't a lot of wig retailers out there that have the salon experience that Lisa has or can make you a custom piece basically from scratch practically. And I think that is something that's missing for a lot of wig wearers. And I've heard from many of you who have purchased wig after wig and just haven't been able to find what you're looking for. Well, just work with Lisa and she can create it. And finally, you may have what it is that's been eluding you. Let me know if you have questions though. Again, I recommend Opulence Salon and I can't wait to bring you updates on this girl. And I have a hat wig to show you very soon. See you soon. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.